Yo, what are you doing, bro? Oh shit, my PC! Peak prank. Okay, guys, we're stuck in the back rooms again. And I don't know what the hell this is. But now, last time we took it personal. This is MK the MD. And we're not. Last time we blew up the whole back room. I blew him up with nitroglycerin. He's invincible. Oh hell no! Stay away from me. I need to get out of here. Oh, he's camping! Holy camper! Hey, yo, little Timmy, come here. Yo, I might have bombed the whole place. Yo, what's going on? But apparently they they just rebuilt themselves because everything seems fine, especially this place. If you remember from that one clip. Place. Yo, what's going on? Yo, what's going on? Yo, what's going on? We blew up the whole back room. So basically what we will do in this video is we're gonna hunt down the entity and we will beat him up and start juking him because of last time, because now we have personal beef with him. Okay, the entity's here. Oh, holy juke. Yo, he's bad, bro, he's bad. Oh, bold though, massive skill issue. How do you die to a bot entity like him?
Nah, this guy actually sucks.
Holy juke. Bro, go back where you came from, you blacky entity. Oh shit. Massive skill issue for the entity. Yo, you got that, twin. Oh, he's dead. Massive skill issue. Hey, buddy.
What do you want me to do? He's charging like that, bro. How can I possibly run away from him?
Oh shit! Where did I spawn? Why do I get 3,000 kilometer spawns? Oh hell no.
Yep. Just like that, we're going for the entity.
Did you die? Oh, I'm stuck in this dumbass level again.
Hey, that's not nice.
Yeah, that's why I did it, buddy. Oh, yo, you got that. Never mind, he's after me. Yo, holy races, there's two of them. Now we're cooked, bro. Holy camp, bro. What do you want me to do? Why are you burning? You burned the whole level down. Burn the whole level. No. Oh, hell no. Oh shit, that's terrifying. Stay away from me. Holy juke, bro. Shit. Yo, the entity might be coming towards us. Oh fuck. Oh, I spawned in the... How do you get out of here? Oh, yo, little dingus. How's it going, dingus? Ah, kiss it alive. Oh shit. Oh my PC. So guys, we just came back from the back rooms. So next time you get stuck in the back rooms, be sure to indeed
Right entity everywhere.
just bomb everything, because then the back rooms will just rage quit. Anyways, thank you for watching, and just as a specialty, we're gonna bomb this guy. Yeah.